Hey there, Drake with Russ Darrow Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram at West Bend, and I wanted to take a second to kind of show you around the CDJR lineup. Most people don't know how capable some of these vehicles are for certain living conditions. Of course, you've got things like the Ram 1500 with the new straight six turbo producing up to 540 horsepower. But not only is this thing quick, it's got towing capacities of, if properly equipped around 11,000 pounds out of a 1500. So you look at a tow, this might be a great option for you. Now, out in these rough conditions, you're going to need a vehicle that's just as capable as you are. Good thing we've got the 2024 Jeep Compass Trailhawk here with the trail-rated four-wheel drive. Now, you might be asking, Drakey Berkey, what does the trail-rated four-wheel drive mean? That means that this Compass, as well as other vehicles in our lineup, have been tested on multiple aggressive trails for different lean angles, different suspension angles. This thing is truly ready to go for any driving condition. Now, maybe your four-wheel drive needs are different than others. Of course, maybe you don't need the four-wheel drive of the Ram or the Jeep Compass. Maybe you're looking for the best handling, the best cornering, the best power delivery. That's going to be like the Dodge Durango RT here with its 5.7-liter Hemi V8. Not only does it have power, but it has the all-wheel drive system to keep all that power in the ground. So you'll be going around corners. This thing has got the guts and the all-wheel drive system to get you out of any sticky situation. So you'll see CDJR has multiple different options for multiple different scenarios. So if you'd like to come in, check out what we have to offer, please come visit myself or one of my other great sales staff here. We'd be more than happy to help. Have a great day.